So last week we made a whole video explaining why we almost never take the van on local trips and we prefer the Acura. Well, I kind of have to eat my words this week because of what Vicky just bought. And I'll let her explain that to you.
You getting everything loaded?
Yeah.
So, I've gotten into furniture refinishing and I just found an incredible 1920s or 30s Art Deco bedroom set on Facebook Marketplace that includes dressers, nightstand, bed frame, and there's no way that's going to fit in the Acura. So we got to figure out how to get it in here.
Right. So Bertha's playing U-Haul today. Let's go.
Okay. So I'm kind of excited to pick up this set.
How are you?
Yeah, I mean, I've done one Art Deco piece, and that was great. Plus, you know, this one is a whole set.
Yeah.
And I kind of, we've done a lot. I've done a lot lately that's more, you know, I guess still vintage because it's from the like 80s and 90s, but I like getting the stuff that's from, you know, the mid-century modern, 50s, 60s, and then the Art Deco stuff that's, you know, 20s and 30s.
Yeah, it's got a cool look to it. Speaking of things you like in projects, we just launched Vicky's first video for Wanderer's Workshop. I think we mentioned that before when I was putting stuff in the van.
Yeah. Went live yesterday.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. His first project was roof finishing. I guess that was vintage. It was like early 1900s dresser, you know, for my own use. Mm-hmm. And then we've got some stuff coming up that's mid-century modern with a lane of claim table and some other different furniture pieces.
Some cool stuff, yeah. So it should be fun. I think you're doing, what'd you say? You're going to do some upholstery at some point, maybe?
Yeah, well, I've got chairs for you, or at least that chair to reupholster for you.
You've got one chair done, the other just sitting there undone. Well, it's got fabric on it.
Well, yeah, but they don't match.
No.
I need to reupholster the second one so that they match. So, yeah, a little furniture flipping, a little upholstery, maybe a little sewing.
Yep. So, that should be cool. So, I get to edit it, so I'd really like it if you took time and checked it out. We'll put a link in the description below for you to go over it. If you enjoy, you know, obviously some of you on here may be DIYers who built your own van. You may find some tips, particularly with the upholstery when Vic does that. So it'd be great if you subscribe, gave it a like, really help the channel out. And
yeah, you can see what I do when we're home.
Yeah, exactly. A different side of the Wanderers. Yeah.
Okay, let's go pick it up.
All right. Well, we are.
Well, I know. Well, I got a little too excited about the furniture.
Yeah.
We meant to film how we made the Jenga set fit
Tetris.
Inside the van, but
I think it's more like Tetris putting it in, isn't it?
Oh, because Jenga's will be taking it out, make sure nothing falls apart.
Yeah, that's the other end.
So we got a desk, a dresser, a full-size bed frame, 2 nightstands, and a chair in the back of the van. Yeah. And it's not even the full height of the ceiling.
Nope.
You said it wasn't going to fit.
I wasn't sure if it was all going to fit like this way. I didn't know about height-wise. But Bertha makes a good U-Haul.
She definitely does.
She is a cargo van, after all.
Yeah.
She's
like a transformer.
Transformer, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
We could just flip the bed up.
Yeah.
And off to furniture shopping we go.
The only thing I'll say I like about Art Deco furniture is it's light.
Except for the drawers are fairly, like the faces of the drawers are heavy. It's solid. I don't know what they use for wood.
No.
With the veneer, but when you take the drawers out, I think the body of the dresser weighs like 5 pounds.
Yeah, it's nothing. But it's still solid. It doesn't feel flimsy, so.
No, and all the wheels work.
Yeah.
Almost every handle is good with the exception of one, which is very rare for Art Deco furniture, that the Bakelite, like plastic that goes on it, is actually all there and original.
Right. Not something you see in a van. I know this isn't normal van life content or travel or any of that stuff we do, but like I said, we wanted to show you what else we do with Bertha, because I talked about that in the video. Otherwise, she's just a really expensive, as I called it, idle tax sitting in the driveway. So at least we try and get some usage out of her.
Yeah, maybe we'll make some money off the furniture to help pay for the trips this summer.
Exactly. So we'll show you the other end. We'll show you the...
So this will be Jenga.
This will be Jenga.
We
did Tetris, now we'll do Jenga on the other end. Just a little drive back home and then we'll pick back up.
At least we got a nice sunny day for the drive.
It is.
Too bad.
Snow overnight.
Too bad we weren't taking it someplace more exciting, but at least we're still taking her out.
Yeah, just getting the wheels rolling.
A little exercise.
Yes, exactly.
So the Art Deco set is safe back in my workshop in the garage. Bertha didn't get a single scratch.
No.
She did great on her U-Haul duties today. Maybe we'll use her again in the future, but today is one reason why a camper van can be better than an SUV.
Definitely. So make sure you head over to Vicky's channel to check out her new episodes. I'll put a link in the description below. Of course, always, we'd love you to subscribe to our channel too. Check out what we have going on. Speaking of what we have going on, next weekend, we're going to take you out for a New Hampshire Maple Weekend. This is our second annual.
Yeah.
So make sure you check that out. And we'll see you at the Sugar Shacks. As I like to say, keep wandering.
Bye.